Hello everyone. Today, in this video, I will show you how to welcome logged-in users with their names and dynamically greet users like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening based on their local time zones in Copilot Studio. How this will work. Once the user logs into Custom Copilot, the user will be greeted like hi user, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening based on their local time zones. The greeting message will be generated automatically based on their local time zones. I will show you how to customize your Copilot to achieve this. Before we start this demo, let's be aware that Microsoft has renamed the Copilot as Agent. It is an agent now. These are all my previously created copilots or agents. Now it is agent. You can see that now. Let's create a new agent or copilot now. It is new agent. It is not copilot anymore. Let's create it. Click on the Skip to Configure button. I'll just name it something like Welcome Agent Demo. Right, let's create it. My copilot is being created. Sorry, I should say agent is being created. Let's wait for a second. Still it is being created. This takes a little bit of time. Now you see my copilot is created and loaded here. So I can see that it is welcoming me like hello, my agent name, a virtual assistant. Just so you are aware, I sometimes use AI to answer your questions. If you provided a website during creation, try asking me about it. Next, try giving me some more knowledge by setting up generative AI. Yes, so this is the out-of-the-box message which comes from one of the Copilot topics. Now I will make this message dynamic. I will change this and customize this message. How can we do that? Like, hello, my username is Microsoft Techie. Hello, Microsoft Techie. Then, based on my time zone, it will greet like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And then I can say something like, how can I help you today? So I will show you how to customize that. All right, let's start the customization. First, we need to find the right topic that generated this out-of-the-box welcome message. How can we find that? Let's double-click on this message. This will redirect you to the respective topic that generated this answer. I got my topic. That is conversation start. I just double-clicked on the message and got the right topic and right node which generated this answer. Open the message node. So this is the message node from where the topic generated this answer. I will customize this message node and show you how we can welcome with a logged-in username and greet like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening based on the time zone the user logs in. This message will be completely dynamic. Let's get started. Add a set variable node. Then I will just create a new variable. Name your variable with a meaningful text. I have named as something like variable welcome message. For the value, Already I have implemented the dynamic greeting logic. I will use that logic here. This is my dynamic greeting logic. Copy this text and paste this into the new variable formula box. In this formula box, I have pasted it. Click on the Insert button. This will generate good morning, good afternoon, or good evening dynamically based on the user's logged in time zone. I will replace the entire message, or I will remove this static text. I will say, hello username. I will pick the user display name from the system generated out of the box variable. I am selecting user.displayName. Then I'm just breaking line to go to the next line. Then what I'll do is I'll just pick my variable dynamic greeting message from the custom variables section. Right. Then I'll write something, how may I help you today? That's it. Very simple. I'm done with the configuration and customization. Let's test this out. You can change the welcome message static text as per your requirement. The highlighted text you can change as per your need. And this greeting is dynamic. And this will be logged in user display name. The user who logged in, that name will be shown here. And this will greet like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, based on the logged in user local time zone. Let's save this one. Now, let's reload this chat panel. Just refresh this and reload this chat session. I can see that immediately this message is replaced and greeted with the dynamic message. Right, yes. I will just read out my chat panel. Hello, Microsoft Techie. Good morning. How may I help you? Still, I can make it a little better looking. I can bring this to next line as well. Right? Then, let's reload the chat panel again. Hello, Microsoft Techie. Good morning. This greeting will be dynamic like good afternoon, good evening, based on your user local time zone. You can change this text as well as per your need. That's all. Very simple, isn't it? Now, I will show you another technique, like after loading your Copilot. When you say hi to your bot, you get a reply from another topic, which is the greeting topic. The out-of-the-box welcome message will come from this greeting topic. Hello, how can I help you today? Using the same technique, I will customize this message as well. Double-click on the message text to get into the correct topic. Like the previous demo, create a new variable and assign the dynamic greeting calculation text. Here, I also could have created a global variable, which I could have used in both topics, but I don't want to make this complicated. I will create a separate video on how to work with global variables. I am creating a new local variable. Then, for the value, I will pass the dynamic greeting logic message text. See how I am adding this? Now, my dynamic greeting variable is ready with value. Now I will customize the message node. First, I will pass the logged-in user display name dynamically. I have selected the user display name from the system variable section. Then I will pass my dynamic greeting message variable. Pass my dynamic greeting message variable. Please look at the screen to see what I am doing and follow me. I'm just adding a break to go to the next line to look better. I am done with the customization and configuration. Let's save this out. Let's reload the chat panel. My chat panel reloaded and generated dynamic greeting message. This message is generated from the conversation start topic. Then, just say hi. You will get the same dynamic greeting message like the other one. But this came from the greeting topic, which I just customized. This way, you can make your chatbot more personalized or dynamic. I have explained this in my article as well. The formula that I have used in this video, you will get it from my article. I will mention the article URL in the comments section of the video. That's all for today. We're done with the demo. I hope you liked and enjoyed this demo and learned something new today. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel. In the upcoming days, I'll come up with many trending videos on Microsoft's latest technologies, like Microsoft Copilot, Gen AI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and many more. Kindly be with me and help me to grow on this journey. Thank you.